Get out of the bed. Hey, I want to plant salad greens right here, but we have a problem. There's all this snow still. So I want to get a jump start in the season because it's starting to melt and you're like, let's plant, let's plant. Come here, girls, come. Somebody has a fascination with bark, but you, like me, we want to get the garden going. So how do I melt this snow and be able to plant my salad greens? How do I keep my dogs out of my raised beds? That's another question. All right, let me show you my idea. Ready? Out, 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 out. Here's my idea. We built this hoop house last year. There'll be a link at the end of this vid for that bid. But can I use my hoop house to melt the snow and kind of jumpstart the raised bed? Jumpstart, I can't wait to start gardening. It's been, well, for all of us, it's been kind of a crummy winter, hasn't it? So let's get this over there. Whoa! No, 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 out, 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 out. Over here. Good, good. Much better, much better. So I built this hoop house last year. It's the latest iteration of my series. Links will be at the end. And yes, I know the plywood on the end was a mistake. So I meant to fix that before the winter, and well, you know what happened during the winter. But that'll be okay for this experiment. Also, this thermatic vent, again, more information in the videos at the end. But let's get this puppy situated. So the raised bed will not cover the whole, I mean, the hoop house will not cover the whole raised bed here, but I'm thinking just enough to create a thermal, I don't know what I'm thinking of, but heating up enough of this to get some seeds in the ground will be a nice thing. Okay, it's the next, whoa, day 2. Really windy last night. Hoop house. It's warmer than it was warmer today than I thought it would be, but the wind last night, I just took a look at this, I just saw this, is that our hoop house was blown, oh look, some kale. So it was blown off and it's sliding off. So some melting going on, positive. Problem is next couple days they're gonna be down in the teens at night. So I have an idea. I gotta pull this out, back over. I know, I'm gonna figure out what to do about the ends, but that's sitting a little flatter. Coming soon, a video about raised bed mistakes. This is a raised bed mistake here. Learn from me. The sun has been so nice. Just sit here for a minute, kind of. Come on, come on, come on. Little did they know that we're gonna walk about 30 feet and then right back again. So, oh look, very analog. Yeah, that's not a toy. It's not a toy, okay? I just thought you might be interested in the thermometer. Minimum, maximum, old school thermometer. You know, I've got the digital ones and you can put them outside. They break. I'm tired of them breaking, tired of the batteries. So we're gonna stick this in there. We get an idea of how hot and cold it's getting. That might work. It's still riding a little high on this side. I'll refer back to the original video about the use of these hinges. Very cool idea. Right, Spiker? Yep. And I'm just gonna lay it. Boom. There goes the greenhouse. I'm just gonna lay it here because I don't, well, I guess I could prop it up like that, okay? Before we go see the hoop house, we have a Frisbee emergency.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I
Victory!
like this better.
Yay!
Uh-oh.
Where's your hoop house?
A little bit of wind.
Found it.
I love this thermometer. It got to a high of about 56 before the wind blew it off. Now it's 32. Ready? This is why you don't use just cheap plywood. In the build video, I talked about using these hinges, so I'm just going to affix this with the hinges so maybe it won't blow off. What do you think?
Good idea.
All right, let's try this again. All right, you wanna go see what the temperature is? Let's go. So we've had cold, then really warm, and then fog. It's like spinorama here. So what I wanna check here is what's the temperature of a bed that wasn't covered? I've got a bed that I covered in black plastic, and then the hoop house, which hasn't blown over since I attached the hinges. The hinges are key. Why didn't I think of that years ago? You know. Okay, that goes in, and then you have to push it down. That says 44, 43. This is my raised bed that I'm gonna put lettuce in. It's shaded by this apple tree a lot of the year, so I thought this would be good for lettuce. Note the wood chip mulch, big fan of wood chip mulch. 52 degrees, wow. I mean, is this super accurate? Maybe, maybe not, but I mean, it's worth checking out, right? I love analog. I mean, I have plenty of digital things, but that's interesting. 52. Proof positive. Mini greenhouse works. The black plastic works pretty good as well. So if you want to womp it up, I put the black plastic on last fall. So if you can think of it, if you can plan ahead, I can't. The mini hoop house work great. You have to batten it down. Batten it. Yeah, that's a good word. Batten it down. Put your thermometers in, check it all out. If you want to check out some more of my videos, there should be a couple floating here about how to build our mini greenhouse, how to build a raised bed. I'll see you in the next video. More of you and me.